Found a key in the rice, no lock inside. Still I kept it in my palm like a tiny white light. A busker sold me pears, 3 for a dime. I ate one on the curb and it tasted like July. Then the wind turned hard, shook the paper cup. I laughed at the mess, then I picked it up. Pocket full of anchors, pocket full of sparks. I keep little treasures in the corners of my heart. Pocket full of anchors, pocket full of sparks. If the world spins sideways, I still know I start. At the laundromat glow, someone left a glove. Just one blue mitten, like a lost kind of love. There was mustard on my sleeve,